It doesn't matter if you're growing corn, cotton, or even soybeans. Pigweed is a major problem you must constantly be on the lookout for. And the most effective way of controlling this invasive species is through a Dicamba program. However, a recent court ruling that bans its use came as a major surprise to many farmers right in the middle of planting season.
And when the courts basically vacated the registrations for Extendamax, Ingenia, and Fexapan, we were really caught off guard. The courts were not supposed to make a decision on that until the end of July or early August. So when that happened to it, it really caught us off guard. It put us all in a difficult situation, from the family farmer to the extension specialist all the way up to the US EPA.
Fortunately, it shouldn't have a major effect on this year's crop, as most farmers will be allowed to use their existing stock for a certain amount of time.
They're allowing us to use the product that we had in hand on June the 3rd, and we can apply that product through July 31st. So that worked out better than originally we had thought. It's not perfect, but for the most part, most of our growers are able to get most of the product that they need.
As for those who don't have any on their farm, there are other options they can consider.
I'm going to try to push you toward a Liberty-based program because you've already planted your cotton. Now, if you hadn't planted your cotton, we can go either a 2,4-D system or a Liberty-based system, and we still got Tavium, so you still got the Dicamba-based system. You just got to make sure you've got availability of the products.
It's a problem growers hope will just be short-term, as the EPA is presently gathering data in order to issue a more comprehensive ruling.
The EPA is currently taking data in from the registrants. They're taking data in from people like me and other members of the Weed Science Society. They're taking data in that's being published, regardless of the publishing format. The EPA is hopefully going to make their decision by the end of October. If they will do that, that will give us time to make good decisions on the farm.
So while the effects might not be felt as much this growing season, the same can't be said about the future if this ruling is upheld. It's the reason Culpeper is strongly urging farmers to be extra cautious and on target when spraying their crops.
We have been a shining star in keeping these products on target in Georgia since they were registered. If we were to have a bad year this year, say we have another month or month and a half of potential applications, if we were to have a bad year this year, that would be devastating to our hope for a 2021 registration. So I'm very optimistic as long as our growers and our applicators do what they need to do, and that's to make better applications than they've ever made before.
Reporting from Tift County, I'm Damon Jones for the Farm Monitor.